Here is the question. We will go for the options one by one. In the first option, that is here you see fn 0 factorial n mod 1 by n lim n tends to infinity. Here you see n tends to infinity. This can be written as lim n tends to infinity. At the place of this thing we can write this k. So this will be k 1 to the power n equals to, putting n equals to infinity in this part, this will be 1 and this will be infinity, and 1 by infinity we know that this comes out to be 0. So also here it is written 0. So our option A is correct. So B will be wrong, because here is infinity. So this is wrong. Now the option C. Here in option C it is being asked that whether fnx exists for all x members, x belongs to R, and for all n belongs to n natural number. Is it true or not? So to say about this, we have information at 0, x equal to 0. So we use the Taylor's expansion of fx about 0. Fx will be f0 plus x by factorial 1 plus x by factorial 1 f dot 0 plus x square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 and so on. Similarly you can write to large number of terms. Here in the question it is given that this exists for all n belongs to natural number. So here n is for derivative, first, second, third and so on. So fx exists for x equal to 0, and since fx exists for x equal to 0, so these functions exist, and remaining part, that means x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, and in next x cube by factorial 3, these things you know are continuous and differentiable for all x. So fnx exists for all x belongs to R and for all n belongs to n. So A and C are correct. Let us check for D. In D it is said that the series is absolutely convergent. For that we have to check this thing. N equals to 1 infinity fn 0 by n minus 1 mod. This series must be checked for to say absolute convergency or not. So this can be changed as sigma n equals to 1 to infinity. At the place of this we can write from question k and denominator will be n minus 1 factorial 1. You know that 1 by factorial n, summation 1 by factorial n is a convergent function, convergent series. So since this is a convergent series, so this will be absolutely convergent. So D is also correct. So correct options are A, C and D.